going off. Thank you.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Oh, okay then.
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, May 12, 2014. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, and Chatham, Kent, Rondo Park. Environment Canada has issued squall watch